the production to snapshot policy, I have the choice of setting up a windowed schedule in which there will be one snapshot per window. So the window will open as needed. Now that may or may not span the day boundary. In the examples here, the default is 1900 to 1700 hours. So that does span midnight. We actually refer to that in our system as midnight madness. The reason that's of concern is simply when you're looking at certain reports, you do want to remember that I either have to look at the window or I'm going to look at a calendar. So some events may not look like they occurred because they occurred after midnight on a different day than when they started. The frequency, as you can see, is once per window, and the default is for 2 days. I can also set up one, which is a windowed schedule, but with multiple snapshots per window. Again, the window will open as needed, and the default for this is 1900 to 1700 hours. The frequency also is as needed, and not to overlap with the time to take the snapshot. The default is every 8 hours with a retention of 2 days. And the third choice within this is a continuous schedule, which will run daily at regular intervals. So in this case, the continuous schedule spans a single 24-hour boundary. The frequency will be as needed, but again, not to overlap with the time it takes to snapshot. The default is every 8 hours, and obviously you can change that with a retention of 2 days.
Thank you for joining us for another YouTube Tech Tip video. If you like the content you're seeing on this channel, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will be alerted to any future content.